This video will show you how to make your own natural skin-safe makeup remover in just 3 minutes. But before we jump into the recipe, let's quickly understand why you actually need a natural makeup remover. You see, most store-bought makeup removers and wipes contain harsh chemicals that quietly damage your skin over time. Most makeup removers contain harsh chemicals like alcohol denat, synthetic fragrance, polyethylene glycol compounds. These ingredients strip away your skin's natural oils, break down its protective barrier, and can leave it feeling dry, tight, irritated, or even prone to breakouts. PEG compounds penetrate deep, carrying toxins inside your pores. Over time, this leads to premature aging, dull skin, weakened repair system. Now, it's high time we switch to a safe, natural, oil-based makeup remover because removing makeup is a non-negotiable part of our daily routine. A gentle remover cleanses effectively while nourishing your skin, leaving it soft, hydrated, and glowing instead of stripped and damaged. The safe alternative is also free from harsh chemicals like alcohol, synthetic fragrance, and PEG. Now you might be wondering, can I really make a natural remover this effective in just 3 minutes? The answer is yes. It absolutely is possible. So, come on, let me show you how easy this is. A super simple DIY. Alright, my friends, let's start by collecting the ingredients. Our first ingredient is distilled water. Please don't worry if you don't have it. You can also use rose water as an alternative. It works beautifully and is even more soothing for the skin. Next is vitamin E oil. After it, we need jojoba oil. You can also use sweet almond oil. Next, we need just a tiny bit of Castile Soap. You can also use any mild natural face wash instead. Just make sure it is completely free from artificial fragrance and is made with natural ingredients only. Now, finally, you'll need some cotton rounds. You can also use cotton balls, but cotton rounds work best because they are flat, hold the remover nicely, and glide smoothly over your skin without tugging. Once all the ingredients are collected, just add everything together. Now blend the ingredients well. Unlike most market makeup removers packed with harsh chemicals like alcohol, synthetic fragrances that strip and quietly damage your skin, this luxurious homemade blend is natural and incredibly gentle. It effortlessly melts away even waterproof makeup while deeply nourishing and hydrating your skin, leaving it soft, radiant, and glowing, never dry, tight, or irritated. Now arrange the cotton rounds inside the clean container. Now pour the mixture carefully over the cotton rounds. Keep pouring until all the cotton rounds are visibly wet, then stop. And that's it. In just 3 minutes, you have made your own gentle, natural, skin-safe makeup remover at home. This simple oil-based formula removes even waterproof makeup effortlessly while nourishing and hydrating your skin instead of stripping it. No more dryness, irritation, or premature aging caused by harsh chemicals. Give this DIY a try and let me know in the comments how your skin feels after using it. And the best part, it's suitable for sensitive skin too and does not cause any burning or discomfort. Thank you so much friends for joining in. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I would request you all to switch to natural makeup remover because healthy skin begins with what you remove, not just what you apply. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.